Welcome to Screen Savvy Hub *. In today's video, we're sharing a powerful story about family unity, respect for parents, and how to overcome the challenges that can arise before and after marriage. We'll explore how to resolve household conflicts, the importance of maintaining strong relationships, and how we can work together to reduce the rising number of divorces in our society. Plus, we'll discuss the dangers of addiction and guide the younger generation toward a happier, more positive life. Stay tuned for valuable life lessons that can help strengthen your family and improve your future. Once upon a time, there were two families in a small village, known for their love and unity. These families valued respect for elders and solved their problems with patience and understanding. The story begins with the marriage of Ali and Fatima, two young individuals excited to start a new chapter in life. However, they both had a strong sense of respect and care for their parents. Before marriage, Ali learned from his parents that the key to a successful marriage is not only loving your spouse but also honoring and including your parents in your life. After their marriage, Ali and Fatima had a happy life, but like every household, they faced small disagreements. Whenever tensions arose, Ali's mother would remind them that patience, communication, and understanding are essential to resolving any issues. Fatima also learned that a peaceful home environment is built through tolerance and mutual respect. One day, Ali's friend tried to lure him into bad habits, specifically offering him drugs. Ali immediately refused, remembering the lessons his father had taught him about the destructive nature of addiction. He knew that such vices could ruin both his life and his family. Meanwhile, the village was witnessing a rise in divorces due to unresolved conflicts. Ali and Fatima decided to help the young couples in the village by teaching them how to address marital problems with love and wisdom, thus preventing divorces. They emphasized that maintaining respect for parents, open communication, and empathy are vital in overcoming challenges. They also educated the youth on the importance of avoiding harmful habits like drug use. Ali and Fatima became role models for how to build a happy and harmonious family life by fostering mutual respect and resolving conflicts through understanding. In the end, their example helped reduce the divorce rate in their village, and the younger generation began to live their lives in a more positive and fulfilling way. This story teaches us that respecting our parents, solving problems with wisdom, and staying away from harmful habits not only enriches our personal lives but also brings harmony and prosperity to society.